Hello guys, so in last video we have seen how do we load data from a single CSV or Excel file, right? But obviously when you actually do some kind of analysis on data, you end up using data from multiple files, right? So in this video we will see how do you load data from multiple files, combine them and do some analysis on top of that, right? Let's take the same example and we'll continue on top of that. So first of all, let's load the data for the sales from our sales CSV file. Okay, so for that we just quickly go to browse the local file and we load the data for sales 2015 and click OK. Click OK and then again click OK. So we have the data for sales CSV. Now let's just have a look at the data. So we see that we have order date, order number, we have product key, but we don't have the product name, right? So let's say our product name exists in some different table. So let's bring that table as well. We will do this in two steps. One is when we load data separately, or else if you want to combine data, we'll see both of them. Okay, so let's first load the data separately. We can just go here and bring our product data. We'll click OK and here click OK again, and here you can select add as new table and click OK. So you will see that in my list you have two tables. One is product table, one is sales table. The same can be seen in the data canvas as well. Data tables, we have two tables, right? And you can see both are separate. So if I bring another table here, you will see that this one has the product key, some product other details, and it also has the product name. Now what if I want to combine these two data? There is something called as join, those who do not know. So what we'll do is we'll join data from two tables on a common column. So we see that we have the column product key here as well and product key here as well, right? So what we will do is we'll combine our data. To do that, we will go to data canvas. So this icon here is called as data canvas, those who don't know. So this small icon here is called as data canvas. We'll go to the data canvas and we'll click on sales table. Okay, we'll click on sales table and here we can say plus icon and click add column, right? So you can either load the data again from the local file, or you can use the same data that you have already in your spot file. For that, click on others and click on product. Okay, then I'll click on settings for added columns. I'll click here and this is something a join. I'll not go into depth of this, but again if you want, let me know in the comment box if you want to have a detailed video on this window. So for now it has identified automatically what are the common columns between these two tables. So for me product key works, but suppose if you do not get this match, you can just click on add match and from the left side you can select product key and also from the right side product key and then click add. If you already have it, that's fine. And then what are the columns that you want to bring from the new table? Okay, and then click OK. So click OK again and here you will see that you have added columns from the product table to our sales table. Here you can also see that the common column between the two table is the product key, that is highlighted by light blue, and then the new columns that are coming from the second table are having a different color. Now at the end you will see both the tables. So now if we go and create a new table, right, let's create one more table and this time you see the same table will also have the product name which is here. So now we can have a like quick bar chart where we define it as, let's say for each product name what was the total order count, let's say order quantity, and there you go, right? So you can also say like what are the total revenue that you have generated. That will be nothing but sum of the sales price or sum of the product price. So you can bring that from here, product cost, and that is how you get it, right? And that's it guys. This is as simple as you can combine data from two different Excel files given that you have some common columns. So either you can join from a single column or you can use multiple columns to join the two tables depend upon the use case and the tables that you have. Similarly, you can keep on so similarly, if you go here, you can keep on adding more columns, more rows and everything. I'll cover the details in next video. What are the options to combine different table as a columns, or how do you add different tables as a row one below the other. We will cover all those details. And before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel to stay updated with the new Spotfire and analytics video. Till then, see you in the next video.